Zen, and I'm back again today to share with you all today's updates and how is the market performing within the day, and how you will be actually strategizing your business plan of trading in advance to be prepared to trade better, safer, and also profitable, right? To give you some of the quick review, what has happened yesterday and how the market has been getting extremely volatile. For example, we had an event yesterday which was a lot of these events coming out from England. We had inflationary data which was all in the red zone. This is why if you could see most of the Great Britain pound GBP pairs, they were actually going bearish, and there is a bit more room for them to go down. All right, all in all, we saw US dollar became stronger, right? And we also have seen oil prices plunging all the way down into the historical levels that has never happened before. Why this is? Because the demand in the oil has fell sharply, as I was mentioning to you guys, that not people are not traveling, right? There is no production. There's also production cut for the oil, and there has been a drastic fall in the oil industry, right? So all in all, these has been the major drivers in the market. Also, we saw Netflix beat the earnings expectations, whereby you could see that the stock would be bouncing up, because a lot of people, while staying at home, the subscription rate actually went higher. So there was an uptick for one of the stocks for the Netflix, which is going to be blasting new highs tonight when the market opens. Then also we saw a little bit of retracement in the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which was also down about 600 points. So looking for today, we are also expecting more inflationary data from England, which is Producer Price Index, which is also HICP month on month, year on year. This will be also impacting on pound. So we believe it is all going to be into the red zone, because COVID-19 has made a total blow to the global economy. So all in all, we could see GBP to be falling further. Now also we having a Bank of Canada Consumer Price Index, that is going to be the spending of how the Canadian are spending funds over there, spending money or to contribute into the economy. All in all, this even also will be having an impact on the Canadian dollar. So basically, this index is the overall actual value rising. Basically, it is to do with food and clothing prices, education expenditures, as well as prices for public health service, transportations, utility payments. All in all, means how the consumers are spending money in the Canada will be giving us a clue how the economy is performing overall, right? So stay tuned. This will be having an impact on the Canadian dollar. Also, we have got consumer confidence coming from Europe, which we believe it is going to be to the downside, right? So looking ahead at the live charts, let's have a look how you can actually find potential opportunities. Let me just show you first on the crude oil, which has been all right, it has dropped drastically. As you could see here, big moves in the history that we have never seen before, right? So what do you expect? You expect this to actually fall more, and according to the current news and the statement that we have seen, actually there's a lot of less liquidity which is available now in the market from for this market, because swap has gone higher and also the spread has gone higher. So if let's say you are trading on this, be cautious, because there is not much liquidity that is provided from the liquidity providers, and you need to stay out of the market as possible. Then looking for Euro USD, or let's just say, wait a moment, let's just pick on GBP CAD. Looking for GBP CAD, we are expecting this pair to fall because we have got inflationary data coming out. So as you could see here, we also have got Bank of Canada Consumer Price Index from Canada, which will be today. So as you could see here, this pair is going to actually probably find its room down to the downside. So all in all, we have inflationary data coming out from England as well, which we believe it will be weaker, and we will see this pair to fall, right? So if you are taking a position on this pair, you can actually go short and take position on it. Euro NZD, looking at Euro NZD, this is a critical level to be decided. As you see here, the price came down, but now will it find a way down unless it breaks this support below this level, right? Then you're going to see this pair to go down, right? But as for now, we need to wait and watch to see the corrective structure unless the price goes out of this box, right? Then you will see a room for further upside for this pair. Then looking ahead for, let's just say, for other pairs like GBP, JPY, as I spoke about it, it has been nicely going down, move about 100 to 200 pips since yesterday, and as for now, the pair has actually broken from here, this descending triangle, and then it find its way all the way down, right? So it is still gonna keep falling, all right? The next support that we are seeing is here, all right? So probably at this level, this price will take a halt a bit until it find a corrective structure for you to take your next position on GBP, JPY. As for today, it is going down. EuroCAD, looking ahead for EuroCAD, as you could see here, we draw this structure. Yeah, it's or the price did go out and now, but then again, we can expect this to come back. Right? So a break below these candles that I'm looking at is here. A break below these candles, you will see this pair to fall, right? So that is to do with the CAD, USD JPY. For now, we can expect this to go down, right? This pair to drop till to this level for an intraday basis, right? So all in all, this is what we're looking at for GS. Then a break below will open a room for USD JPY to go down further, right? Which will be somewhere around here, right? So that is to do with some of the analysis on the major currency pairs. Let me just share with you on the stocks, what's happening on the stocks. Let's just say Apple. Alright, it has actually fallen back due to the current market sentiment and pressure back to this this support, or is it another gonna find a support here to go up from here, because the structure changes all the time from time to time unless we see a break below this trend line. Then we're going to see this stock to fall. So all in all, these are the levels that you can actually keep on your watch list to plan ahead your trades, right? So we have got more things happening on the other stocks. Let's say looking ahead at, I'm going to look out at McDonald's. Believe that there has been enough McDonald's deliveries for this to, as you could see, it has not came down so much. So all in all, we believe as long as looking at the current structure, as long as this stock the price goes above this ranging pattern, as you could see here, this form a range. Now any break above this will open the door for it to go up. Yeah, so you can actually mark these levels on your watch list here. That's what we're looking at for McDonald's. But as for now, it is ranging. It is not giving clear direction. But overall, a nice pullback up. Now is a bit of retracement. But we believe that this is going to go up matter of time. Right? And here. Now, looking for Amazon, nice move up. It's going to retrace for a while until it forms a corrective structure. All right. Then go up again, or probably from here as well. So these are few patterns. I mean, if you are a long-term investor or a short-term investor, you know, you can actually go long on this, but let it retrace for a while, and then you can take your position on it. Looking at gold, all right, currently peaked. Now a lot of investors actually moved their funds into gold. There was a little bit of buying yesterday, but you see here there is not enough volume to push the price up for the gold, right? So this is why oil dropped, and this is why gold actually retraced up. So on an intraday basis, what we're actually looking at, what you could actually expect for gold to do the next, right? So so looking at the current structure here, any break below this will open the door for gold to go down, right? Any break above will open the door for gold to go down, but we believe this is going to go down, right? Looking at the current price action, right? So this is how you can actually plan ahead your trades and have profitable trading days, right? So that's all for today. We will come back again to see you, to give you more explanation on Friday. Till then, take care, and I will see you guys.